Welcome back into another video on AutoCAD. Today I want to show you tips about Xref command in AutoCAD. We are going to use Xref to save a custom title block, which we are going to use it to print our drawings. So I will need to copy this title block. This is in layout 1, reinforced concrete. But in the model, you can see I have layout 2 and layout 1, and so there are 3 layouts. The title block is not here. I will come to layout 1, and I want to copy my title block to use it in another layout. Right click, clipboard, copy. So I first need to save it as a new drawing, which I'm going to use as my external reference. Xref basically stands for external reference. So I'll just go back, right click, clipboard, and then paste my title block here. Now this is my title block, which I'm going to use it to print. If I want to print any other drawing, if I want to print the current drawing, I'm going to use this one as my Xref. I will go now to save as. I will save this one in my desktop as a title block. Title block concrete, then save. Okay, now I want to print this drawing. So I'll go and add another layout. This is the 4th layout. Then I'll go to this layout. I can modify my layout settings. I will use high quality AutoCAD PDF. I prefer A1, ISO A1 landscape. Window, I will use from there, and then fit center. I can use AutoCAD and then maximum. Okay. Now this is layout 3. Okay, close. Okay, now I need to type Xref. Then we can select Xref. Okay, now this one will pop up. I need to click. You can see this attach DWG, this icon on the top left. Click it, and then we'll go to desktop where we saved our title block, and then I will select my title block. This is title block concrete. Open. And then okay, my insertion point is there. Now, if you have noticed, is that our title block is not coming where we want to place it. So we will need to drag it, but to avoid this, you can just go to title block. Now make sure that you move this one from there to that point. And then let me save it again. Save. Now I'll go back to this drawing. So action needed, it means I have modified my title block. You can see that warning there. So I will remove this one, or you can just right click and then detach, then again attach DWG. So let me repeat the process. Add a new layout. I will use layout 3 and then close. And then I will type in my command Xref and then add my external reference. I will scroll down to my title block concrete. Open. Now you can see my insertion point. Okay, we can this layout. I can go to layout and then page setup. I'm using this set as current. Close. Again, page setup. I want to modify using Windows from that point to that point. The settings are the settings we used at the beginning. Then I will close. Now you can see we are having our title block in our layout. So the next thing is to insert viewpoint. We can insert maybe this reinforced concrete floor slab. You can either right click on your mouse or hit enter in your keyboard. And you can see that apparently the scale is too small. You can right click and then increase the scale to 1:100. Maybe the scale is too big. Let's do it. Insert viewpoint. I want to insert this one there. Right click. I will change the scale to 1:100. 1:100 is too big. Okay. I will insert again. I'm right clicking on my mouse. Right click to change the scale to 164:1, and then I can insert it anywhere. Still too small. Insert. Now let's see the scale. The scale is 1:16. Maybe the scale are and just delete this one. I'm doing the vice versa. I think I should decrease the scale and see, right click, reduce the scale to that. Yeah, that is the way I wanted. If when you're going up, the image or the drawing is reducing inside, you need to go down. So I will uncheck and drag it here. Again, insert viewpoint. Now I want to add this one here. Right click my mouse and then right click to reduce the scale is to 1 is to 8 is to 1. Insert anywhere and then you can now drag it to the right position using this center there. After this, we can now print. So you need to go to the original title block, select it. I need to add new layer. Right, I can right click, new layer, then have a new layer, close. I will select my title block as the new layer. Then save this one again. Yes. Now going back, right click or type Xref. Detach. Or you can just delete it and detach and then add new layer, title block, concrete, open. My insertion point was at that point. Okay. Now we can go ahead and print. Or also add new layer here. Right click, new layer. Okay. reconcile layer. I will do this here in my model. Let's go back to our layer 4. Try again to print. Okay. We now try again to print. Continue. Then, okay. I will save it in my desktop. This is slab and beam layout. In simple terms, you need to make sure you reconcile all those layers, and then you can be able now to print. Therefore, changing this into one layer in the original was not really necessary. You just need to reconcile each and every layer in your title block or in your Xref title block. Thank you for watching this video. If you like this video and you wish to see more videos like this, please consider to subscribe to my YouTube channel. Before I finish, we can just try and add a new Xref, this one here. I'll go back to Francis. We're going to remove this one, then add type Xref. I will add DWG. This one is in reference to engineer Gidua. Reference from engineer Gidua. My title block, open. Okay. Okay, I will also edit. For as you know, we need to make sure that this one is not far from this. It should be if possible, 0, 0. So I will move it again to that point, coordinates 0, 0. Okay, save it. We can go back to our this one, Xref. Okay, I will detach this one. Again, attach another Xref, data block. Okay, and place it at that point. Now we need to reconcile all layers. So go to and reconcile new layers. Just right click, reconcile layer, right click, reconcile layer. All layers are now being reconciled and being removed from the list of unreconciled layers. This list should be empty. Okay, now we can be able to print. I'll go to print, continue. So you can see there was an unnecessary step. I will see you in another video like this. Thanks and Happy New Year.